Welcome back to this week's African Grain Market Overview made possible by Collateral Management International and Zimmatic Irrigation Systems. This week we turn our focus north to the southern DRC, a market where South African maize meal continues to dominate, even though Zambia should in theory be the natural supplier. In this video we unpack why South Africa still holds the upper hand in this trade despite higher transport costs and the geographical advantage that Zambia has. We also discuss what the future trends can look like. Collateral Management International, or CMI, works across the continent, helping banks and other financiers keep their commodities secure and well managed. With over a decade of experience, they're known for their reliable storage solutions, trusted staff, and professional stock monitoring and inspection services. CMI helps make sure everything runs smoothly and securely. CMI, your trusted collateral manager in Africa. Please remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It will really help us a lot and won't cost you a cent. But with that said, let's hand over to Jacques for this week's update on the African grain markets.
Good day. This week we look at the southern DRC maize meal market and scrutinize why neighboring Zambia is not their current main import supplier despite having the ability. The DRC has been a large net importer of maize and maize meal for many years, and this trend is unlikely to change soon. How big is the deficit? We could not find reliable stats, but a few estimates did indicate the maize plus maize meal deficit for all of the DRC at least 10 million tons. It is estimated the DRC has a population of 113 million. In this podcast, we will focus on the two main southern DRC provinces, namely Lualaba with Kolwezi as main town and Haut-Katanga with Lubumbashi as main town, as indicated by the black colouring on the DRC map. The southern DRC is predominantly a maize meal market. Observers indicate of the estimated 1.3 to 1.5 million tons of maize meal consumed annually, in these two provinces, 10% originates from subsistence farming, 15% is local commercial farming, and 75% is imported, i.e. import need at least 1 million tons. Our contacts indicate the difficulty in selling maize bran locally from a logistical perspective and limited milling capacity makes it more profitable to import maize meal compared to maize. The next question is, where do the imports originate? Zambia is normally the southern DRC's obvious main supplier, as its closest neighbour bordering both mentioned provinces. Tanzania also a supplier from time to time, but normally not big volumes, as Lake Tanganyika complicates logistics. During mid-2024, another supplier entered the market. Zambia had an export ban, and the southern DRC turned to South Africa as its main maize meal supplier. Despite Zambia opening its borders in August this year for exports, South African maize meal is still being imported. In fact, our contacts indicate South Africa is still supplying 60 to 70% of the imported product. At this stage, the easier import process from South Africa and their constant quality makes them the supplier of choice. The current Zambia export process has two difficult hurdles. The first is the red tape in the export process, which is time-consuming and costly. And the second is only certain millers get export permits, and the bigger commercial mills, known for their quality product, are generally excluded. Our contacts in the DRC indicate Zambia will need to get their act together to stimulate export volumes by making the export process less cumbersome and making export permits available to the entire milling industry if they want to claw back market share. Another important factor is the superior quality of the South African product. Zambian maize meal should reach the southern DRC at a fair discount to South African origin to be competitive. Current relatively high Zambia maize prices make this difficult. the wholesale maize meal price in both Lubumbashi and Kolwezi at $13 to $13.50 per 25 kg bag or $520 to $540 per ton. Our contacts indicate Zambian mills deliver their product at a 20 to 30 cent per bag discount compared to South Africa, but this is way too small to grow market share against a superior product. Given Zambia's logistical advantage and its recent bumper maize crop, we would have expected them to dominate the southern DRC maize meal import market this season. The DRC is a non-GM country, i.e. current GM maize meal imports from South Africa not actually permitted, but authorities seem to be turning a blind eye. So, probably always a risk that non-GM policy could be enforced. To conclude, unless Zambia authorities simplify the maize meal export process, issue more export permits, and Zambian maize prices trade lower, South African maize meal exports can continue to dominate the southern DRC market for the foreseeable future. Next week, we will look at the Malawi maize market and the potential impact of the 200,000-ton government-to-government import deal with Zambia. Remember, quality information improves decision-making. Contact us for more detailed, tailored information.
Thanks, Jock. Insightful as usual. This episode was made possible by Collateral Management International and Zematic Irrigation Systems. Remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel or contact us directly for more detailed market reports that's also available. You can also showcase your brand on this video and you can contact us directly if you'd like to do that. I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe and thanks for tuning in.